Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial we'll be looking at how to use Google Bard. What is Google Bard? Well, it is an AI chatbot that was developed by Google. So, you may have heard about ChatGPT. Well, picture ChatGPT with the intelligence and also the know-how of Google, and that is Google Bard. How to use it? Well, the first thing you will need to do is go into Google, and you are going to type in the search bar Google Bard, as you can see right there. Once you have done that, you are going to tap on Meet Bard. After you have tapped on Meet Bard, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do is simply tap right where you see Try Bard in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have done that, you are going to be led to this page and you are going to scroll down. Then you are going to tap on I agree. After tapping on I agree, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you will be able to type in whichever prompt you want. Also, if you don't want to type in the prompt, you could use the microphone right here. So you could simply tap on Use Mic. Then after you have tapped on Use Mic, you'll tap on Allow right there. And from here you can see that it is now recording everything that I have said. And once you have typed in what you would like to request, all you'll need to do is tap on Submit right there. But let me clear that. Shown you how to sign up to Google Bard, and I've also shown you their text-to-speech feature. Let me show you some of the other features. The first thing is you can activate dark mode on Bard by going down to the bottom left-hand corner and tapping right where you see the moon icon right here. So I typed in, write an article on the top 5 bicycles of 2023, and this is what it came up with, as you can see right here. Not only do I get a detailed article, but it also includes photos. And the thing about it is, while it does include photos, you can see where they are linked back to. So if I were to tap on them, they would automatically redirect to the website that they got the photo from, as you can see right here. So the beautiful thing about this platform, this AI platform, is if you have an article that is ranking high in Google and you include photos, it will also include your photos once someone has typed in a prompt that your website answers, as you can see right here. So while it has a photo from this website bicycling, you can also see that the second photo right here is from a different website, as you can see here. And another thing is, I typed in what are some of the major differences between Bard and another AI, and you can see right here that it is similar to other AIs, as they both have large language models that can generate text, translate languages, and write different kinds of creative content and answer your questions in an informative way. However, there are some key differences between Bard and another AI chatbot. One of the major differences between Bard and another chatbot, or any other chatbots better yet, is their data source, as you can see right here. As I was saying earlier, compared to ChatGPT, that its latest update is 2021, Bard is up to date. And also you can see that their language model, Bard uses Google's newest language model, and you can see that other chatbots are using GPT 3.5 with GPT 4 technology available in its paid version. This means that Bard is more powerful and can generate more creative and informative text. And you can also see purpose. Bard is designed to be a helpful and informative companion, whereas other AI chatbots are designed to be more entertaining or engaging. This means that Bard is more likely to provide you with accurate information and less likely to try to be funny or clever. Overall, Bard is a more powerful and informative AI chatbot than other AI chatbots on the market. So if you are looking for an AI chatbot that can help you with tasks, provide you with accurate information, or simply have a conversation, then Bard is a great option, as you can see right here. Another thing that I like about it is it does include a table. Another standout feature with Bard compared to another AI, for example ChatGPT, a longer article. After tapping on the pencil, all I would have to do is change the prompt. So I would go to the front right here and type in write an article of 1000 words. So I'll do that real quick. And that's how you will be able to increase the amount of text that is included. So you can set the amount of text that you want, whether you would like 1000 words, 2000 words, 3000 words. It's quite easy. All you have to do is tap on the pencil, and from there you can type in the exact amount of text you want. So you can see that I've gotten a more detailed explanation right here of up to 1000 words. And also, if you would like to check your recent activity, all you have to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Barred Activity, then you will be redirected to this page. And you can see right here, if you were to tap on Barred Activity right here, if you don't want it to keep track, you could simply toggle it off by turning that off. But by going back and you tap in right where you see Auto Delete, you could delete your search history right there if you want. And to view your recent search history, all you have to do is scroll down and you can see it right here. And if you would like to delete a particular one, you can simply tap on the X right there to delete it. Now let's go back to the main page. So this is our main page right here. So if you would like to reset it and delete everything that is currently on the screen, all you have to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on Recent Chat, then tap on Reset. You can see that I typed in the prompt, when was the telephone invented, and you can see the article that it came up with. But let's say I would like to paraphrase this, or I would like to change it. All you need to do is go up to the top right hand corner, right where you see View Other Drafts. You will simply tap right there, then tap on Regenerate Draft, and you are going to give it a few seconds, and you can see that it has now changed it right here. So you can read it and see if this is to your liking. If it is to your liking and you would like to copy and paste it, all you would need to do is simply tap on the three dots right here in the bottom right hand corner. Then you could tap on copy to copy it. Also, if you would like to Google it, you could tap on Google it right here. Or if you would like to export it, you could tap on the export icon and you'll be able to export it to Docs. Or you could send it via email. You could simply tap on Draft in Email and it will open up your email. If there is any other thing that you'd like to know about Barn, you could tap on their FAQ section and you'll be able to read what Barn is all about. And you can also scroll down and you can see more information. Can Barn be used to help with coding? Yes, it can. What does Barn know, and what I said in why doesn't Barn know what I said earlier in a conversation? And you can see right here, Bard's ability to retain context is purposely limited for now. As Bard continues to learn, its ability to retain context during longer conversation will improve. And you can read more about it. And if you're wondering how many languages does Bard speak, you can see that at the moment it is available in US English, Japanese, Korean, and they are teaching it to speak as many languages as possible. And if you're wondering if it is available in your language or country, you can see that they are committed to rolling out Barn responsibly. Some features may not be available in all countries, territories, and languages,